If you want to become a data analyst, stop listening to learn Excel, learn SQL, learn Power BI, because that's actually hurting your chances of becoming one. You're turning off the recruiters. What you need to do is to find a way to attract their attention. And the only way you're going to do that is to prove you have the experience or the skill set needed to do those jobs. But how do I get the experience if I don't have the experience? Before I answer that, what you need to understand is why companies need data analysts in the first place. Companies want to understand their customers better. Companies collect data to do just that. The problem is, companies do not have the time or patience to go into the data and get those answers themselves, especially when you're dealing with a lot of data. So the answers are locked in the data, and the data analyst collects the answers from the data and shows the business. So that's why they use tools like Excel, SQL, and Power BI or Tableau. So if you can prove that you can use those tools to extract answers from the data and communicate them back to the business, you increase the odds of getting a data analyst job. So here's how to actually do that. First, create a portfolio with 2 to 3 strong projects. That's your primary goal. Each of these projects should answer at least one interesting question. Each project will require you pulling data from a data source, extracting the data and cleaning it using Excel or SQL, and then loading that data into a visualization tool like Power BI or Tableau. It doesn't matter. Just pick one of the tools and figure out how you're going to create that solution. 2, document each stage of the project. So from the moment you ask the question to the moment you generate the answers from your solution, make sure each step uses clear, concise words that are easy to follow so that a non-technical person can actually follow through as well. Don't use jargon, don't use technical language. Just keep it short, keep it simple, and make sure you're just communicating exactly what you did. And also talk about the challenges you faced, how you conquer the challenges, and even the insights you generate from it. And also make sure you include visuals. So the visuals actually need to justify each of the decisions and conclusions you arrive at. So make sure you logically walk the reader through each step. Now 3, use online resources to help you build the project. So take online courses, jump on data bootcamps, read articles, read blogs, whatever you need. Jump in communities. There are Reddit communities, there are Discord channels, LinkedIn groups. So once you've done these steps, make sure you advertise your work. The easiest way to do that is to create a LinkedIn profile and place your project on there. But you know what? In retrospect, I think what would probably help is for me to actually build a project that shows you every single step on how to do this. And I'm going to walk you through everything. So I'll be completely transparent. I'll show you the design decisions that go into it. I'll show you the steps involved, the thought process that I conduct in each stage. That will probably provide a bit of inspiration into how you'd want to go about building your portfolio. So make sure you follow and subscribe so that you're up to date on when I actually come out and show you the project. Stay tuned to that. Stay blessed.